Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best window security is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your home. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of window protection, exploring the best options to fortify your windows against potential intruders. We'll cover everything from security films and reinforced glass to advanced locking mechanisms and alarm systems, ensuring your home remains a safe haven. So, let's explore how to make your windows a fortress. Number 5. Door Window Alarm for Home Security. This door and window alarm is designed to detect entry and protect your home. It emits a loud 120 dB alarm, audible up to 750 feet away, ensuring you're alerted to any potential threats. Installation is incredibly easy. Simply use the adhesive tape to attach it to your window or door. No wiring or screws are needed, making it a completely DIY security solution. Featuring an ultra-slim design, this alarm fits seamlessly on any door or window. It has two adjustable settings, alarm and chime, making it perfect for various locations like homes, offices, and dorm rooms. You'll always know when it's time to replace the batteries, thanks to the low battery indicator. This ensures the device is always ready to protect you. The batteries are included. You'll receive a pack of upgraded door and window alarms. We offer 100% customer satisfaction, and we're always here to help with any questions you may have. What we like. This window alarm is super easy to install, just stick it on and you're done. It also has a loud alarm to scare off intruders. If you are looking for a simple, DIY solution to protect your home or office, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to install. The window protection is very strong. The design is very good. Number 4. Window locks, security for sliding windows and doors. These window locks are designed to enhance your home security. They are perfect for both vertical and horizontal sliding windows, offering peace of mind for you and your family. The locks are suitable for a variety of sliding windows. However, please note that they are not compatible with sliding patio doors or tracks thicker than 0.67 inches. Make sure to measure your window tracks before purchasing. Installation is simple and requires no tools. The locks clamp securely to your window tracks using built-in screws and the included hex key. You can easily adjust them for full closure or limited ventilation. Made from a strong aluminum alloy, this product is built to last. The soft rubber padding inside prevents scratches to your window frame. This also enhances grip for added stability and safety. These locks help prevent windows from opening fully, making them ideal for homes with children or pets. They allow fresh air in while deterring intruders and preventing accidental openings. Each pack includes 4 window locks and 4 yellow key handles. The bright keys are easy to locate and use. For wider windows, you can use multiple locks for extra security. We are here to help if you have any questions. What we like. These window locks are designed for both vertical and horizontal sliding windows. They are made of durable aluminum and easy to install without any tools. If you have kids or pets, or just want to add an extra layer of security, this product is perfect for you. What people say. I like that the window locks are very easy to use and install. I like that the window locks can fit most sliding windows. I like that the window locks come with a rubber protective to protect the metal on the window when tightening the lock onto the window. Number 3. Adjustable security bar and window safety bar. This security bar is made of industrial-grade plastic, designed to withstand impact. It helps prevent intruders from entering through windows or sliding patio doors. This product works great with window alarms for added security. With 13 adjustable settings, it's ideal for various window and door types. When the window touches it, the bar stops it from moving further. This gives you peace of mind. No tools are required for installation. Adhesive strips hold it securely in place. It can be removed quickly in emergencies, making it a great alternative to wooden blocks. Featuring a double-headed push pin, it offers extra resistance against entry. It's child-proof and ideal for keeping windows secure. Protect your home with this simple device. Make sure to measure your window or door before purchasing to ensure a snug fit. It extends from 17 inches to 2.5 feet, suitable for most windows. It's ideal for your home security needs. What we like. This security bar is adjustable to fit most windows and sliding doors. It's easy to install and provides a strong barrier against intruders. If you live in an apartment or have sliding doors, this is a great way to enhance your home security. What people say. The window protection is very easy to install. The design is sleek and modern. The product is made of high-quality materials. Number 2. BDFS 8MC 8mm Clear Window Film. This security film absorbs impact, minimizing damage from break-ins. It's designed to hold shattered glass together, enhancing your home security. This film is applied to the interior side of the window. The film meets ANSI Z 97.1 and CPSC Category 1 testing standards. It adds an extra layer of safety to both tempered and non-tempered glass, giving you peace of mind. Enjoy crystal clear visibility with 99% UV rejection. This helps reduce fading of your furniture caused by the sun. It's important to note that this film is not designed for heat control. The strong adhesive and film work together to slow down intruders. The thicker adhesive layer is protected by a thinner release liner, ensuring optimal performance. Made with high-quality materials, this film is built to last for many years. Plus, it comes with free tools, including a squeegee and knife, along with an installation guide to help you get started. What we like. This window film is designed to minimize property damage by holding shattered glass together. It also blocks 99% of UV rays, protecting your furniture from fading. If you are looking for a way to increase security and protect your belongings from the sun, this is a great option. What people say. This film slowed down his entry long enough for other layers of protection to scare him away. This film kept the 100-year-old plate glass window mostly in place. This stuff is literally invisible once installed. Number 1. BDFS 4MC 4mm Clear Window Film. This window film absorbs impact, minimizing damage from break-in attempts. It holds shattered glass together, enhancing security. This film applies to the interior side of the window. The film passes safety testing requirements. It increases security and adds safety to various types of glass. You can rely on it to protect your home. This film is crystal clear and blocks 99% of UV rays. It reduces fading of your furniture caused by the sun. It is designed for safety, not heat control. The strong adhesive and film slow down intruders. The thicker adhesive layer is protected by a release liner. It provides an extra layer of defense. Made with high-quality materials, this film is designed to last for many years. Free tools and an installation guide are included. It's easy to install and maintain. What we like. This window film is designed to minimize property damage by holding shattered glass together. It also blocks 99% of UV rays, protecting your furniture from fading. If you are looking for a way to increase security and protect your belongings from the sun, this is a great option. What people say. The window protection film is easy to install. The window film is very clear and does not distort the view. The product is effective in preventing window breakage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.